Guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I will show you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm your tech buddy Adnan Hussain. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Go to the search bar, search for virus and threat protection. Open it. Here, click on manage settings. Now turn off real-time protection. Click yes and turn off cloud delivered protection. I'm extremely sorry to interrupt. If this video helping you, please subscribe and help me to reach my first 1000 subscriber, and I would appreciate it. Press Windows plus R and type regedit regedit and press enter. Click yes. Here extend the H key local machine, then extend the software and search for policies. And extend the policies. Here search for Microsoft and extend it, and here you can see Windows Defender. Right click on Windows Defender, hover on new and select dword 32-bit value and name it DisableAntiSpyware. Make sure there are no space and spelling is correct, then click enter, and right now double click it and set it the value to 1. Click OK and close every tab and close the registry editor and restart your PC. And that's how you disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if this video helped you, hit that subscribe button, help me to reach my first 1000 subscriber. And if you face any kind of issue, drop a comment below. I will try my best to help you out. And thanks for watching. Stay safe. Peace out.